the the advantage that we have here in going into a lot of those companies is that it's just a URL. So, if somebody in the executive staff likes the system, they're almost able, to make calls to this device. And so if they go to their IT team and they say, can you implement this? And they say no, it's very difficult for them to say no because it's just a URL. And in fact, we've actually got a lot of IT people looking at this device before the senior staff discover it. That it's coming, the referral's coming from the IT side because it is so simple. A lot of these companies that are running WMSs, have this terrible relationship with the WMS supplier. A lot of them have bought the source code, which is, just crazy to me, of their tool because it's going out of, support or something like that, and they need to modify it, and they don't want to touch their supply chain. There's a lot of those stories out there. Or maybe it's a currently supported tool, but they're waiting for such and such change to the tool because they got to do such and such upgrade, and it's like this terminal thing. They put in the request for the change and it hasn't arrived, and they're dealing with those sorts of things. And so this sort of a device really frees them in large part from those sorts of bottlenecks, and that it is a DIY tool and it is so simple that they, as I said to some customer the other day, they can take control themselves of their own destiny.
Do you think it's almost